an international team of researchers are focused on the Gulf of Mexico.
There we go.
These are some of their stories, intimate portraits of research, innovation, discovery. I'm Matt Damon. Please join me on a journey marked by unexpected twists and turns. Research laboratories are centers of innovation. Long hours are spent searching for answers and making discoveries. At times, it could be a scene out of a science fiction movie. Here we see the still beating heart of a fish isolated from its body. So what do you think? Reality or science fiction? You've probably already guessed, this is cutting-edge science. Georgina Cox has a PhD in Marine Biology and Fisheries. She does her research at the University of Miami.
I grew up in Canada on the East Coast, so I spent my summers in and around the North Atlantic. And I was really captivated by fish from an early age. And when I was younger, my dad had a heart attack and heart problems, and I really got interested in cardiovascular function. And as I grew up, I combined the two to study comparative cardiovascular physiology, so cardiac function across different vertebrate species, with a specialty in fish. I measure metrics of cardiovascular function to look at how the heart performs before oil exposure and after oil exposure. What we've done is we've removed the heart from the animal and cannulated the inputs to the heart and the outputs of the heart. So now we've got control of everything going into the heart and everything coming out of the heart. What's going into the heart right now is physiological saline. This stimulates the blood that's in the fish. So basically, the heart doesn't know that it's out of the animal. Now we can measure how the heart is doing in terms of cardiovascular performance. We expose fish to concentrations of oil that were actually measured in the Gulf of Mexico during the spill, and then measure cardiovascular function. We've shown that cardiovascular function is compromised due to oil exposure.
Today, the scientific community is working together to push the boundaries of what they've learned about oil spills and what still needs to be discovered.